Clamp the wood in the vise. Turn the X and Y axis hand wheels to position the area 2. Be processed under the bead, making knife. Aligning the knife's drill core center width. The processing areas center as much as possible. Switch on the power. Rotate the spindle and slowly turn the Z axis. Hand wheel to lower the bead, making knife. Allowing its drill cord to slowly enter the wood. Continue this process until the knife blades start cutting the wood. After processing one side, rotate the Z-axis to lift the bead carving tool away from the wood. Release the vise. Remove the wood and flip it over. Align the wood's hole with the bead carving tool and tighten the vise. Calibrate the position using the X-axis and Y-axis. Ensure the bead hole is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Align the drill core of the bead carving tool with the bead hole. And slowly start cutting to process the other side. After pausing the power, rotate the Z-axis to lift the bead carving tool away from the wood. Use the milling machine to assist in polishing the wooden beads. Secure the wooden post and tighten it. First, sand the surface with coarse sandpaper. Then smooth it with fine sandpaper. After sanding, remove the beads. A handheld grinder can also be used for polishing. Finally, string all the beads together with a rope, showcase of the finished product.